Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got the new Redmi K30 and Realme X2 Pro. We are going to do a benchmark test with Antutu app. The benchmark test with Antutu app is to determine the performance comparison in between both. To start the test, let's turn on both the phones and run Antutu app. Now we will give you a little bit insight on the hardware specs on both devices. As on chipset, K30 is Qualcomm STM730 Snapdragon 730G, and on X2 Pro will be Qualcomm SM8150 Snapdragon 855 Plus. And on CPU, it's K30 octa-core 2 into 2.2 GHz, whereas X2 Pro is octa-core 1 into 2.96 GHz. GPU, which is very important, K30 Qualcomm Adreno 618. X2 Pro will be Qualcomm Adreno 640 700 MHz. And in K30 64GB, it's 6GB RAM, whereas in X2 Pro 64GB, it's also 6GB RAM. Well, as you can see, the Realme X2 Pro runs the test little faster than Redmi K30. It is because X2 Pro have better specs than Redmi K30. It has better chipset, better GPU. Realme has categorized X2 Pro as a flagship phone, but so far we are not sure Redmi K30 has flagship status. Starting from the screen, it has many differences between two phones. Redmi K30 has bigger screen and battery. It has SD card support, whereas it's not available in X2 Pro. In other ways, X2 Pro beats K30 by powerful 50-watt charging speed, AMOLED screen compared to LCD screen, better camera, much better chipset, GPU and CPU. As you can see, it's getting closer to completion. Seems like X2 Pro will finish the test before Redmi K30. Okay, X2 Pro got the score of 471,423, and we are still waiting on Redmi K30. Well, Redmi K30 get the score of 271,880. It's a huge difference on the score. Realme X2 Pro is way ahead. Well, now you know and have the idea on which phone is better for your needs. Stay tuned for more videos from Gedu. Please subscribe us, comment and like us. See you soon with other videos. Bye.